and welcome to Singapore. The local time now is approximately 22 past 1 in the afternoon. And although we are reaching towards the end of our journey, your safety is still very important to us. We request that you remain in your seats with the seatbelts on until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments in case your items have shifted during arrival and could fall out. Kindly take this opportunity to look around you, especially into your seat pockets, to make sure that you will have all of your belongings with you as you disembark the aircraft. For those of you returning, welcome home, and if you are continuing on, we wish you a pleasant onward journey. On behalf of our pilots, we thank you for choosing to scoot with us. It's been a pleasure having you on board. We are looking forward to scooting with you again in the near future. So as we see you next time, we hope you have a pleasant stay here in Garden City, Singapore.
Okay.